Hello everyone, welcome to this Hadoop Wordcount tutorial. In this video, you're going to learn how to run the WordCount program in Hadoop. So basically, just generate a text file on which we can run the word count. So I have used ChatGPT to generate this poem, and I'm gonna paste this text inside a text file. So let's just create a text file in the desktop. You can create wherever you want. So I'm gonna name it johnnypoem.txt, and after pasting this content inside, you're gonna save this. For WordCount.java file, for this I have preferred the official website. So from here you can copy the code, and after that go to Hadoop bin folder and create WordCount.java program, WordCount.java file, and paste this code inside this file and save it. After that we have to open the terminal and as an administrator and just navigate to the Hadoop directory. Now we have to run this WordCount.java file, including the Hadoop common files that will be used to make this to make a jar file out of this. Now after that create a jar file using the jar command. After that you can see that the WordCount.java jar file has been created. Now we are ready to go with the word count execution on the file. So for that we just we first have to start the Hadoop. So as you can see, the Hadoop is up and running. Now go back to the same directory, Hadoop and Hadoop/bin, and just type Hadoop space jar WordCount.java space word count, and then the location to the file, and then the output directory where you want to put the output. So I'm just gonna copy the destination of this file of this file, and copy this and paste it here. After that, the output directory where you gonna put the output of the word count. So I'm just gonna name it output_wc for word count, and I'm getting an error because at the word count after the word count.jar I have just typed word count, not word count. So after that, after fixing this, you can see the Hadoop is up and running. The map and reduce are started. The map is 0 and reduce is 0. After that, the map is 100%, reduce is 0. And after that, it's about to complete. Yeah, it's completed, and yeah, it is completed fully. Now to see the output of this mapreduce, you just have to type the command hdfs bfs -cat. Before that we have to check if the folder exists or not. Yeah, you can see output_wc has been created. You just have to put the hdfs -cat output_wc /hashtag, and you can see the output of the mapreduce. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well of the word count in Hadoop. So thanks for watching, and for the commands and the link to the WordCount.java file of Apache is given in the description. So leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.